Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to assemble our barn boxes. First, grab the sides and press inwards. This will engage the auto bottom. Next, fold the flaps down. This will make assembly a lot easier. Then, fold the handles together and grip it to engage the handles lock. Then, press down and push the flaps through the lock. Repeat this step on the other side. You're now ready to transport. We also have a unique feature that allows you to stack them flat. To do this, disengage the locks, then fold in the side flaps, then the front flap, and then tuck those little tabs inside the vent holes. Now you're ready to stack. Thank you for watching.